Hello everyone! Today we have a special episode depending on your requests and inquiries, especially for the people who want to learn 3D Max from the scratch. So we'll start together to learn modeling on 3D Max, discussing with each other how to make walls, how to make ceiling, how to make cornice, how to make flooring. So I'll explain to you everything in the modeling today, which is considered the first step which you have to learn it in 3D Max, which is modeling. Because 3D Max you have to learn modeling, you have to learn camera settings, you have to learn render settings, you have to learn materials and a lot of things. So today I'm starting with modeling with you, and I will take you and I will give you a small project which is small bedroom from A to Z, from importing from AutoCAD until the rendering of the 3D Max, teaching you how to start a project and how to end the project with a good results and in a professional way. To be honest with you, I'm making this episode today because I'm receiving a lot of feedbacks from the people that they are saying that the 3D Max is a little bit complicated and hard. Promise guys, from this episode I will make it simple and easy for you, and I will facilitate everything to you. So are you ready guys? Let's start. So let's start guys. Now I open, this is the 3D Max, and here this is the AutoCAD. Okay, and someone will ask me why I'm opening the AutoCAD with the 3D Max. Very important that before you are starting your project on the 3D Max, you have to divide your project into parts. What is the meaning of parts? That, for example, in any small bedroom or any space inside the apartment or the villa or whatever your project, you have walls, you have floor, you have ceiling, and whatever, maybe you have gypsum board or anything else. Okay, so what you are doing, you have to divide the walls alone, the floors alone, and the ceiling alone. And I will show you why I'm dividing or separating the project into parts like this. So what I'm doing, that this is the project of a small bedroom, okay, and we will start to implement it now on 3D Max. So what I will do, I'm just writing these words in order to explain to you what is this about. But when I'm exporting to the 3D Max, I have to remove these words because it's useless. So I will remove now, and then I will start to export to the 3D Max. But before exporting to the 3D Max, I have to be sure that these lines are single lines or SP line. Okay, because if I make these lines, it's double lines by mistake, it will never work on 3D Max. So this is single line. Okay, I have to be sure from this. I have to check every one that I'm selecting normally, and I make move. If there is any lines here, I have to remove it. So Ctrl Z to be back again. And this is a part of the cornice, and the cornice, this is a section for it. Just I make it like a freehand drawing. This is not a block or anything. And I will remove the word of cornice from here. So this is my project now. I divide it into parts, and I will start to export it to the 3D Max. So what I will do, I will go to 3D Max here, and I will make here import, and desktop, what is the name of my word file is key legend. So I will press on key legend. Yes. So what I have to be sure in this the window, that this is intensity and curve steps is 20. So I will press OK. It export to me the project here. Okay, I will start to take every one of these things and I will start to work on it alone. Okay, so what I will do here, that let's start for example with the walls. I will select the walls like this. Okay, and I will press on this one. Okay, this like a bulb, I will press on it in order to separate it from the project. So what I will do now, that I want to raise this as a walls. So what I will do, I will press on any part of it, okay, and I will go here. If you see this attach multi, so what I did, press on one wall, go to here, this settings, okay, editable SP line, I have to be sure. I will go to attach multi, okay, then I will find all of this. I will press on any one and the Control A. I will mark on all of them, make attach, okay, and then I will go up again, press on this one, the vertex. So after pressing on the vertex, I will press Control A again, and I will go down. If you see this weld, I will make it 0.01 and then press weld. Why this weld? Because in any open lines it will close it, okay. Then I will go here, I will press extrude. If you see this order, extrude, and I can raise my walls to 3 meter, okay. So I make it here 3 meter, okay. It's obvious that this is a door in front of me. If I want this, I make this 2 as a balcony, okay. So what I will do here, that I will close it. I will go to this create, and then I will make a box, and then press S in order to give you a center point. Then you coming here and you go down, okay. This is 3 meter, so I need this 2.2, okay. So the height, I will make it 2.2. This means that this should be 8, okay, minus 800, okay. So this is the right one. Same also, I will make it here. I will bring the box, and then I will start from here, and then I will make this also negative 800. So I have both of them are same. If I want to give them the same color of the walls, so I press M to give me the materials, M for the materials, okay. And I will start to choose any one of them from here. I will choose this one, I will mark both of them, and then I will press on assign material to selection. See, it's now giving me the color of the pole here, okay. So this is regarding the walls, okay. So if I want to make a floor for this one, how can I do it? So I will press on the floor, and I will go to here, modifier list, and I will bring extrude, and then extrude will give me this one. But I want to just make the thickness of the floor itself. Let's say like a slab, it's 15 centimeter, so minus 150, it will give me the thickness of the floor or the slab. So what I will do here, that I bring this, I mark it as a center point, and I bring it here, okay. So now we create the floor for my room, and this one I will press M, okay, and I will go to here anyone. I will just want to make it special a little bit, because I don't want the walls and the floors to be on the same color. So I will give it like a dark color a little bit. Let's say this one, and assign material to selection. See, now I give the floor different color from the walls to be visible a little bit. So this is about the floor and about the walls. So if now I want to put, let's say, a pattern, like let's say this is for a marble on the floor. It's a rectangle marble and it has a void from in the middle. Here you can put a medallion in the middle, or this they name it water jet. In the practical life they name it water jet. Any decoration on the floor with a marble, it's called water jet. So what we are doing here, that I will make a selection on this one, and again I will press here, and then I will go to extrude. So see this what's happened. This is the biggest problem. So what I have to do, I have to make again the same way which I did it before. You have to mark on one line, okay, and then you will go to attach multi, and then you will press on this one and then attach, and then you will go to vertex and press Ctrl A to mark on all the points of the vertex, and then you will go down to weld, press weld, and then go to extrude. It will do for you. So this is minus 150. No, let's make it minus only 90. Okay, so here this is done. If I want to do this and this, I make a marking on them, control in this and this, to make a unified selection. Then I press on this one, then I will bring here, make it T, which is top view, T, press T, and then you can bring this on the middle like this. Okay, and then you will press P for perspective, and then this one you can raise it a little bit up like this. Okay, and we have to check the thickness from the floor because it should be also realistic a little bit. So what you will do here is from the Z you will make it down a little bit, or you can make it up a little bit. That's it. So see guys, now we have walls, we have marble on the floor, and now this is the return of the ceiling. Okay, so this is the ceiling, it's gypsum board. What I will do, I will press on it and I will press this selection. Okay, by the way, the shortcut for this isolate selection toggle, I can press Alt Q. Okay, so this is the gypsum board. What I will do again guys, the same way. So I'm pressing on one line as I like, and then I'm going to attach multi, polyline, attach, then vertex, Control A, and then I'm going to weld down, press weld, and then extrude. This is my ceiling. So Alt Q again here, okay, and press S, top view, okay, putting this ceiling on so what I will do, I will grab this to here and grab this to here. Okay, so T, top view, make it a little bit like this. So if you see guys from inside, very important guys, that we have to put a camera, so in order to check our view every while. So I'm going here, and then where is the camera? I will press on camera, and it will be physical camera, so top, and I will take my view from here. Okay, type, I will press P. To go to the camera, press C. See, this is my view now, which is terrible. Okay, so what I will do, in order to go to the camera, C. In order to leave the camera, press P. Okay, so what I will do here, I will start to play on the settings of the camera. This is my camera here, and I will start to see guys, if I move it from the Z, this is the Z. I want to make the Z like, let's say 120, okay, or let's say it will be 300, okay, and the target of the camera, okay, see guys, in order to select the target, I can press right click, select the camera target. Okay, now I select the target. In order to raise this one, I can raise it here from the Y. So what shall I do? I will press here, and I will make it like 1200 as a view. Okay, so I will press on the camera again, and I will go to settings, press C, in order to see what's behind the camera, and then I can see that this is still small. The camera itself should be higher more. So I will press select, this is select the camera, and I will press this like, let's say 1000, and I will go to camera again. Now it's a little bit okay, but about the camera target is not yet done. So I will press select the camera target, and I can move it here from that, by the way. See, I can, if I'm inside, from here, from that. Okay, this is something. Other thing, I can select the camera again, okay, and go to here, and this camera, I think it's high a little bit, we can make it 700, and I will press P to go outside the camera, and then I will go to this camera, okay, and I will go to the settings itself of the camera. What is the settings? This guy is the settings. So what I care about it here is the target distance. This is what I care, okay, and specify FOV. Okay guys, so see guys, specify FOV. I'm making the ceiling like this, and let's say, but this is so far a little bit. Okay, so if I left the camera, but I want the camera to be, yes, it's like this. Okay, and I make select the camera target, and I can make the target like this, and here again select the camera, and I can make the camera to be 900 or 1000 again, like what we did before. So this is about the camera guys. Okay, so what else about this one? That this is my gypsum board, and here this is my second layer of the gypsum board, because my gypsum board is double step, okay, or 2 steps gypsum board. Okay, so what I will go here again and Alt Q or this mark, and then I will press on one wall, same as before. Okay, and then I will open here and then I will go to attach multi, polyline, attach, same way guys, and then vertex, control A, and then we'll go to weld down. Where is weld? This one. Okay, and then you can make extrude for your that's it. Okay, so we can make extrude. I think this is proper way. Okay, so we will go back and then press top, or before pressing top you have to raise this a little bit up, and then you can make it down like this and press T. Okay, this will go here. Okay, we have to make this floor different color a little bit in order to be okay. So what we will do, this one from top, I will move it like this, and it needs to be here a little bit, and it needs to go this side a little bit. So this is my cove light. Okay, so what I will bring here, this one, which is the last one, I can bring it from here. Okay, and I can close it. Okay, but I will not close now guys. Okay, this is the model. I just want to show you يعني. Okay, this is one extrude. Okay, and this will be like no -90. I want it to be 90 only to up, and let's say that this one will be, I will press M, and this one will be this color. Okay, so we can go from here directly 3000. Okay, and we can raise it up here guys above this one. Okay, and Alt Q in order to modify it together. So what I want to do, this one I will move it here, and then it will be here. The top, so I can see from here. Okay guys, this is, you don't have to make it يعني exactly, because this will be visible, invisible in at the end. Okay, so I will make this down like this. Okay guys, and here this is my, if I see, I want you to show it to you more. So this will be guys, this is my interior. Something very important in the camera which we have to if we see guys here, this side is not straight. يعني I think this side is a little bit is lower than this side. You feel this is higher than. So how to make the both sides is symmetry on the camera? I will go to the camera. Let's say, okay, I will mark on the camera, and then I will go to the settings of the camera. Okay, this is the camera settings. So I will go down. If you see something called perspective control, I will press on the camera, and here auto vertical tilt correction. See, when I press, everything is symmetry now. Okay, let's go outside the camera, and I want to make something before I'm moving, that this one and this one, I want to make it one layer or one piece. So I'm going here and then make collapse and then collapse selected. See, all of this becoming one piece with me. Okay, طيب. See, bring to me the camera again. Okay, now I have to put a cornice for this one. So what I have to do in this area, I have two places to put the cornice here. Okay, the first one in this area, and this one is the cove light. So what I will do, this piece which I make it, I will make it now as this one is a cove light, this not a cornice. Okay, so what I will do, that I will take this a little bit far from here. Okay, and I will go to again to the AutoCAD. Okay guys, this is the area which I have to put my cove light on it. So I will take it as a piece, copy, and I will take it here alone, and then I will make import again to the file. So import, and then key legend, yes. Okay, see guys, I don't need all of this, right? So I have to take this only. So what I will do, okay, concentrate with me in this part because this is very important, how to make a cove light or how to make any freehand cornice. I will go here. Okay, and I will make Alt Q, then attach multi, Control A, attach, then vertex, then Control A, then weld, guys, here. Okay, okay. So after I finish, I will go to here and make bevel profile, pick a profile, exactly it will be like this. Okay, so if you see guys, if we come here near, you will not find your cornice very obvious. So what we will do, we will press R or E. See guys, it will not work. So what we will do, press on bevel profile, profile gizmo, okay, and then we will rotate our cornice. Then we rotate our cornice. I want the cornice to be to inside, right? So I have to make it like this. So it's better you control it from here, make it negative 90. Let's try. See guys, here is my cove light. This is a section. So what I will do, now it's done already. I will go outside and then I will take this one and this one and to put it together. So top, or not make it top, I will take this here and I will raise it up like this. S. Okay, I will take it to here. Okay, and then I will make it up. This one will be here, and then top view, it will be exactly here. Okay, so let's see guys, see, here is your cove light. This is your cove light guys. As you see, from all the sides it's done. If you want to make it a little bit special, so you will go to this one. Let's give it a different color in order to be visible. See camera, this is your cove light, but as we see here it's not that proper, so we have to make it down a little bit to see guys, here what we will take, we'll take both of them, Alt Q. See guys, from here it's small. How we can, if we have like this problem, what we will do, convert to editable poly. Okay, and then you will take the part of this one and you will move it here. Okay, you will move it outside here. That's it. Okay, what about this one? This one is okay. Okay, what about this one? So what I will do is marking on this and choosing this box, okay, and marking in this area and make it outside a little bit here. Done. So in this part, I need to select this. See guys, it's visible now. So I have it's visible from all the sides which I have. So if I make it now, if I go outside this and make it camera, it will be now guys very visible for us. Okay, someone will tell me now that I want to put like another the cornice, because this is cove light. How will we put the cornice? Okay, we have to choose one of the cornice which I have. So I will go to here and go to desktop, and we will make from architecture cornice. Here is the cornice, and I will choose any cornice, like let's say I will choose this one. Let's try. Okay, press yes, continue. This is not the file which I need exactly, so I will try another file. Let's say this one. We have to try guys. Okay, press yes. Okay, okay, okay. So these guys, I will press Alt W, and here this is, if we press F4, it will bring for me the one like this. I think this is good. We can choose it for now. Okay, this is, the name is Frizz Ornamentum. So what I will do, I will remove this one, and let's say save. Let's go out and let's bring it or import it to my file, but it's better not to import it now. Okay, just I have to go outside and I will bring the file or drag it and drop. Okay, so merge, so this is the one. Okay, here is my cornice, guys. Okay, so if I want to put it, let's choose which area I want to put exactly. I want to put it the walls and the ceiling. Okay, and this is here, so I will make Alt Q and I will start to play with them. So I will make it, see guys, there is now something you have to understand. W to move it right or left or up, E to rotate it, R for the scale. Okay, so I want to make it large a little bit, and then W, and then I will insert it inside the my project. Z, okay guys, I move it now, and I move it again, it's small, it needs to be big a little bit. By the way, the dimensions of this, take this as a practical information for yourself. The true dimensions of the cornice, it's coming like 10 to 15 to 12, sometimes 18 centimeter, like this. Okay, so what we will do, yeah, we will make it here and we will make it up. Okay guys, and we will bring this to the wall, to the end of the wall here. Okay, let's say we will start from here. Okay guys, like this. Let's make it big. I'm just assuming the size of the cornice. Okay guys, camera, it will not be visible, so I have to make it more bigger. Like this guys. Okay, we can make it more big just to be visible for you, but if you're making a real model you have to go through the dimensions. Okay, and camera, I think like this it's observable or visible a little bit. We can make it more big just to be visible for all of you, and I will take this from here and I will start to, okay, this is my cornice. What to do, I will shift drag by X like a copy, but when you make it copy you have to make it instance to lower the load of this one. Okay, if you want to know the load of your file, press 7. See, you have now 111,340. Okay, so bring this again, shift and move, instance, shift and move. We will make this until the end of the wall. So what we do here, we will select all of this and select this also, and we will start to move it, instance, and then here it will be instance. and then we can move this last one here as an instance. If your cornice is going inside the wall like this, it's not a big deal. Okay, so what I'm doing, I will make a control, select all, and then Alt for the parts which I don't need it. So okay, this is one which I need. Okay, so rather than using also this, I have another solution for the people who want to make it easy a little bit for themselves. You will make it copy and you will press E, and when you rotate it like this, it's right here on the Z, for example 90, and W, okay, and press here to show it to you. Okay guys, and bring this a little bit here and make shift again instance, make shift again for a copy, shift again, okay, and like this you will make it more easier for yourself. Okay, and here shift, okay, and here only this one shift, okay, okay. So I will select all of this and I will make Alt, and this one I will take it as a copy, and then I will make E. Okay, if we write here 90, no, it will not work. So we write here 180. See guys, it's totally the same. I will make it W and I will get it back to the wall. Here I will make it like this. Guys, so see guys, see my cornice on the sides, okay, and then I will go to the final one. I will take this, I will deselect what I don't need, and this also I will take it as a copy, and okay guys, so I deselect it now. I make E. If I move it like this, so 100, 180, same the last one, W, okay guys, I will move it here to this side. That's it, guys. See the camera? Now I have my cornice and everything is clear. This is my cornice, and if I press here, this is my cove light, cornice, everything. If you want to see this space really, I will put a materials and lights together. Okay, so what I'm doing, and then let's say I will choose this one. Okay, for this one, see guys, it's showing like this. What is the solution for this? If you want to make any material something very important, search about an order called UVW map, this one. Okay, make box, and then you can make here, let's say 2000 only, and here 2000. This is the scale of your material, guys. This is very important to do it. To see, this line is not acceptable, so what I have to do is 3000. It's gone, so let's make this 3000, and let's make this 3000. See guys, it's giving me a texture here now, as you see. Okay, if I want to check the materials of this one, because it can be glossy or it can be, no, it's not glossy, it's like a cement. Okay, okay, so the second thing which we have to do it here now, that I want to make this one. Okay, so I put a material, but also I have to go to UVW map. Okay, see guys what has happened. Okay, make it box, and I think this is so big, so we make it 3000. We have to try 3000, and let's say 200. Okay guys, okay, so camera, see, this is my, okay, so the cornice now I have to make it like a beige color. Let's say I will choose this one, and it will be visible here, and this one also I will choose it. I will select all, only the one in the scene, yani I don't have to select all of my corners, only the one only in the scene. Okay, so I will press M, and then I will press this one. Okay, so this is what I need to do. Okay, and on the ceiling I need to give another material on the ceiling. So what I will do is, let's say that I will give white ceiling. Okay, okay, now remaining one thing, that I have to put spotlights in order to see how it will work. Okay, spotlights here, so this one I have to put spotlights. Okay, now I have to go to bring spotlights. Where is my spotlights? our ceiling spots. Okay, and I'll bring any like this spotlight. Okay, drag drop here, merge. Okay, this is my spotlight, but I don't like the shape, to be honest. So what I will do is I will change the shape, let's say spot only. Drag and drop, merge. Okay. Okay, this is, I think this is acceptable a little bit. By the way, guys, if you have any block and you want to move it from E, you can make it like this, and after you can make it like this. Okay, and you can select it all, and you can make group to make it one part. See, now I can make it one group, or I can make it ungroup. Okay, if I want to modify in it, so I will make it group, and I will for sure make the scale small a little bit because the scale is big, and I'll bring it and I will start to distribute it on my plan or in my ceiling. So what I have to do is going here, Z, okay, Z, okay, this will be here. Okay, guys, okay, so now I can play in it and I can move it, and shift F. For sure you have to distribute your spotlights according to dimensions. Don't move your spotlights for nothing like this. Okay, and then I will take 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in order to save time, you can select only the spotlights and you can move it to the other side like this. Make it instance. Okay, and this too, you can take it, and also you can move it to the other side. Okay, like this. Okay, guys, now I have all of my spotlights here. Now the remaining one is, see guys, this is the shape of my spotlights. Now what I'm caring about, that I need to put a light inside. So what I have to do, I will choose this exactly, and I will go here and I will put my lights. From where I will go to, this is lights, and I will go to V-Ray light, V-Ray IES files. You should have IES files, so to be easier for you. So I will press 3Dmax, IES lights, nice IES, and I will choose number 16 is good. Okay, okay, and then I will start to create my IES lights. Okay, okay guys, like this, and like this, like this, and from here also, and from here. Okay, okay, let's make it small a little bit. and let's drag it inside our plan. When I put it here, and from here. Okay guys, so I will drag it here and here. Why I'm making like this, because I wanted to hit the wall, to make it the effect on the wall. Okay, so I will drag another one here, instance, and make it instance guys, please. Okay, okay, so this one and this one, so I will drag both of them to the opposite one, instance, but I will select the targets and I will make it on the wall, and this one and this one I will make it a little bit on the wall. Okay, another one, which is this one, I will make a copy also, instance. Make it instance because if you change in one of them, automatically the rest will be changed directly. You don't have to change everyone because this will make you tired too much. On the settings of this, see what you care only here is IES file to import your IES block, and here color mode you make it temperature, and here you make it 5. Okay, the lower you make this number, the more warm the spot is coming. The higher you make it, the more higher light the spot is coming. Okay, and intensity value is too much here, as you see 13,172, which is too much. You don't have to care about this. You can make it like 5,000. Let's try, just try. Okay, we will go here, we'll make camera F9. So building the light cache, it will take time a little bit. So now guys, this is the render of the image. Okay, we are approaching to the end. As you see, the lights, the cove light and the cornice, it's here. It's not visible a little bit because of the lighting, but we'll talk later and we'll make another tutorial for the light, for the render settings, for the camera, for the material. So finally guys, we reached to the end of our episode today. This is the result of our modeling. We can change the colors from here to make it more realistic a little bit, and I hope all of you enjoy it and you like it, and it will be more useful for you inshallah. So I hope that you like the result, and you can make the same one to yours.
So we reached to the end of the episode, guys. I hope it was useful for you and you learned from it a lot. So please guys, support my channel with subscribe, like and share, and please guys, help me to share my channel and to share my videos in order to reach more people to get useful for it. And please guys, if you have any question and inquiries, please write for me a comment below the video in order to answer all of your questions. And see you guys to the next episode, so stay tuned for it.